The unions representing more than 75,000 Kaiser Permanente workers have announced a tentative deal. Employees staged a three-day walkout last week in 5 states and Washington, D.C. They demanded higher pay and more staffing. Workers were threatening another strike in November if an agreement was not reached. Union officials released a statement thanking Acting Labor Secretary Julie Su for her, quote, instrumental support. A top executive at Ford says the company is at its limit on how much it can spend to get a contract agreement with striking auto workers.
Yeah, the UAW escalated the strike Wednesday when thousands of workers walked off the job at Ford's largest plant. The union says it made the move after Ford refused to make headway in a bargaining agreement. The automaker warns the strike at the plant in Louisville, Kentucky could harm profits. UAW President Shawn Fain did not announce any new strikes today.
Olivia Olander joins us now. She is a labor reporter at Politico. Thanks for joining us. What do striking auto workers make of Ford's comments about these contract negotiations thus far?
Well, you know what? Union President Shawn Fain went on Facebook Live this morning to talk about his take on, that comment by Ford and some others. He basically said, Ford says that it's at its limit, but workers have said that they are at their limit with what they're able to do with the money that they have, that they're getting paid, and that they deserve greater wages. So that's kind of their perspective on that. And they are looking to, even though they didn't expand the strike today, they're kind of heading into a new phase right now where they're saying that they could strike these plants at any time, like they did on Wednesday, expand this strike, cause some more financial pain for Ford. So that's kind of their response to Ford saying that they can't go any further.
So how far has Ford gone? Do you know the latest offer from the manufacturer?
Yeah, so the latest that I believe has been confirmed is about 23% of a wage increase over 4 years, which is the highest offer among that we know of the big three, with GM and Stellantis being the other two automakers. The other ones are pretty close to that, but not quite at 23%. So obviously some things are still being kept close to the company's chest and to UAW's chest. They're not putting everything out all at once, but about 23% is what we're looking at. And UAW has said that they want, double-digit pay increases up to 40% in the 30s. So they're close-ish, but not quite there, not quite meeting in the middle yet.
Do you see this strike expanding even more?
UAW President Shawn Fain today definitely seemed to indicate that it could expand more. He said that there have been too predictable with where they're expanding using this expanding strategy over the past few weeks, and now they want to be able to expand at any time. This plant that they expanded at on Wednesday, the Ford Kentucky truck plant, is a very lucrative, very profitable plant, kind of indicating that UAW is looking to hit the companies where it hurts, and they haven't done that kind of unexpected strike action yet on GM or Stellantis, but definitely after today, the door is more than left open for that.
All right, Olivia Olander, thank you.
Yep, thank you.